Hello everyone, welcome. This is going to be heart reading, also like general, but also slash. I always write, okay? But as per views and everything. So, how have you been? Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. I'm also on Instagram, SSHELLS, Shells Running. What else? If you wish to support the channel, you may do so via PayPal, GPay, UPI ID. Also, links are available. Also, what else? My Gmail is there to book private readings. People been coming and taking, and there are tangles, and you need to solve that. Okay. Um, there was a message and it went away. Something is going to get restored, which is coming right now, but the prior message it's gone. I don't know why. So if you're new to the channel, there are always messages on me. So today it's butterfly. What else? And hype, like, share, of course, and thank you for doing that. Um, something is going to be restored. That is for sure. Any sign can listen. There is for some of you Ace of Cups coming. It's going to be welcoming energy, basically. Someone wanting to come around and talk to you or wanting to talk to you again, kind of energy. This is happening after a while, kind of energy. We're going to shuffle and see what is coming for you. But yes, that is the energy. And what else? Hmm. This thing like, yeah, thank you, thank you. Um, it's about rose petal. It's about petals. It's about rose petals, but it's also about reality. It's about rose petals. That's what I heard. Like it's not about a rose. It's about rose petals scattered or around you, or you're seeing them. It's with you, or maybe you're in a garden. Maybe you're around roses, or maybe someone gave you the rose, or someone's rose is with you, and you're just do they love me or not kind of energy you're playing with one leaf at a time, one petal at a time, if that is happening. But there is something connected, and with that being said, there is Ace of Cups. Okay. Romeo, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. That's the song. Also, you have King of Cups energy and Eight of Swords energy. I'm still going to keep that back. I don't know why, but they're saying just talk about it a little bit. That's how I do the reading. If you like it, good, stay. Um, you're on someone's mind, or someone may be on your mind, but you're on someone's mind, and this makes sense because this person, however, the sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person is all thinking about you. You are crossing their mind every now and then. It's not that they're not doing their work, but you're crossing their mind every now and then. Mm. Let's see what is coming for you. Eight of Cups. You're crossing someone's mind. 8 digit is going to be important for some of you. Eight of Cups energy. You distanced yourself, or someone, whoever walked away or distanced, or something happened between you both. Whatever happened, whenever happened, the reality was different. They're saying the reality is different, or reality was different. Now, if this is what you've been doing and you walked because of something, of course, the closure or something ending, okay, that's what you thought, or you were going through with that process. Um, that's why I saw rose petals, I think, scattered, you know, and it's not the reality. For some of you, that's not the reality. That why it stopped or why they went away, that's not the reality. Reality is different. Reality is different of this situation, of this emotional situation, because they felt very heavy for you. You felt very heavy for this person. This could be the place you're coming from. Okay, that's why rose petals scattered and all that. But there is Ace of Cups coming. It's like you were making a good move, and the way you're moving in your future or direction, whoever is coming in your life is coming from this side where you're walking. And that's not going to happen instantly, but this is what you've been doing. Okay? Let's see. But you're on someone's mind, I can tell you that. You cross this person's mind. I'm having hiccup, someone is missing me. Or someone is missing you. Piscean could be a listener or a dealer. Not coming out though, but still. Ooh, let's see. Yes, emotional blending might be difficult. Two of Swords, not in talking terms. Um, but someone is crossing someone's mind every now and then. And your decision is about not to look in that direction. It's not that you don't want to, but it's just that when they have crossed, you don't want to look there. So that's reality check. This is about you are understanding, or you understood in this process while you made this move, that if they are not here, I shouldn't be staying here. You should not stay at a place where someone is not. And it's not like, I know it's easy to say but difficult to do, but then again, you have to make a move. So your decision is becoming very difficult what to do because of no talk or because of what to do. Okay? No matter even if the reality is different, but your point over here is right now you cannot stay at a place where the other person is not there. So you are just chalking out a plan of decision that, okay, fine, I'm going to not connect. I'm not going to starve here. I'm not going to put my energy here. And that's what I'm going to lock this. I mean, I'm going to close this door. I'm going to close this door and let it be. Let's see what's in future coming. Or let's just say a little ahead in present. Okay, what is coming? A little ahead after Two of Swords. Seven of Swords. Little ahead after Two of Swords is you're going to leave those topics or leave this topic with the person or leave this situation of talk that happened. And you're going to not waste more of your energy here. And you have understood that someone was a thief here, okay? Or they are not suitable for me, but also someone who mistreated the situation and they never broke this silence. So there is something in Seven of Swords, like it's a thiefy, it's a creepy energy as well at times when people are behave, they actually behave very weird when they don't break the silence, and when whatever is supposed to be happening they don't do it properly, and that's how it gave you so much of pain and situation to let it be. Okay, so you're not going to, this is also preparing you to not trust someone easily. If you have already done sometimes, if you've been living this, and maybe it was your experience of life now, that you have this energy of like, no, I am not going to be easily accessible to this particular energy who is not talking to me. Makes sense. This is also giving your projection of like you're going to be a difficult person now. You've become a difficult person, a dangerous person. When they survive, the heartbreaks and experiences, they become dangerous. Have you ever read this? So you are now dangerous because you know what? You know that you don't easily decide now. You need not to decide. You do not want to settle for this shit or anything. And you don't settle for flirt. So that is for sure. Your thing is Ace of Wands. Your thing is real karma, real action. Um, make effort kind of energy. And the real effort, okay? Not a 1 week of effort. Someone is also shocked here because you have blocked certain people and energies here. Maybe really you have unfollowed or blocked or left. And this is also causing people, I don't know the word, but they're going like in their mind of like, what? So someone might be thinking about that. Now we're going to see what is coming in future. Oh, that was quick. That was quick. Okay, sometimes when you see this card, I don't want to take that, but they want me to take this card, and that is all. That does make sense. Okay, this is going to be five of wands. Five of wands is telling me that here, that's going to be really difficult to win your heart. First of all, you are kind of like a challenge for anyone now. You are not going to settle for bare minimum. That is for sure. And maybe earlier you gave more chances, but now you don't. You also extract yourself from situations where you are not needed and where you are not respected. And this is where the energy is like, if you're not being respected, you just don't roam there. That if they get time, they're going to talk to you. You don't do that. So if they don't make sense in your life, you just cut the crap, which means that you just be neutral or you don't answer and make sense. You've learned this very hard way. You've learned this very hard way, and some people are still learning. And it's like it's their journey because everybody is aware about that. It's everyone's journey. If you have done it, maybe the other person who's listening to me, they're in this process of like how to overcome this, they say, how to overcome this. And I understand. But you know what? If you don't give up and you're strong enough, you'll be out and you'll be in the zone of like, I can do it. And I want to be, I always say that I just want to be a person for anyone out there, even for 1% or 10%, I don't know. But now many people listen to me. I want them to look at me and say that, you know what, I say, because of you, I never gave up. I moved. I became successful, or I did this for me, or I did this and came out of this. You know how proud you're going to be on yourself when you do this? Because you have people who love you. You have you who love you. You have me. I love you. I'm going to be so happy when you do this for yourself. Listen, there are people who are going to be loving towards you, and there are people who are going to be shitty towards you. And that's all the talk about the demons and the good people, angels. Okay? So we need to believe in more angels of all sorts. People come in that form as well. So come out of this if you're feeling like this mentally as well. Like, you know what, where I'm stuck. Maybe some of you are feeling stuck in like a situation where you don't want to stay, but you're stuck because you're fighting that I have to come out of this. Also, in your future, there's going to be real competition for people to be part of your life, and this is like insane because you become dangerous now. What is coming, peekaboo in the future? That was future, peekaboo in the future. You all, whoever is listening to me, you're going to be in a real situation. You will know the reality, whatever that is, not good for you or it doesn't fit you, okay? This was in my hand. This is your peekaboo in the future because I stopped and I started talking. And people believe me, don't want to believe, don't believe. People who believe they're going to stay. Anyways, some will love me, some will love me more, less. They they'll admire, they won't admire. I know, and it's okay because I understand the frequencies and energies, and I know that I cannot make everyone happy, but I try, and I'm not trying to make everyone happy. The reality is that I just am doing my work. So if someone does admire me and love me, I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and I really love you. I just want people to be happy, content, who are nice, and towards me and towards others as well. And please be nice to yourself as well. Don't give up because, look, there are creepy energies, okay? And it's okay. Just, just take a deep breath, okay? Cry if you want, but come out of that. You have Ace of Swords coming in the future. There's going to be like competition for you. There's going to be the challenging situation to get to know you. There is someone who's going to will be coming around because this is Ace of Swords. But also this is clarity of your life and of your situation for sure that you're getting into. So it's going to be easy to make a decision. There is arrival. Okay. Also the lovers could be Gemini. Also Knight of Wands. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, listener, dealers, and all that stuff as goes. But look at this. This is a situation that is going to turn in your life in the coming time. And when this is going to come, the clarity is going to come that, oh, that happened, why happened, whatever happened. Challenging situation because this person is going to try hard, okay? I'm not going to take them, but I am going to read from my own deck. I'm feeling itchy here today. I don't know. Let's see what is coming. Someone is also going to ask you, are you all right? Okay, just closer. Someone wanting to get closer to you. This was in my fingers actually, stuck in my fingers, closer. Someone wanting to. They are going to talk to you and they would love to get close to you. Okay, now this could be again or any energy. It depends. Please treat your life in the best way. Let's see. Just coming. I don't I don't say please, okay? But when I care, I do say. Because I care. So if I care for people, I care for you all. So I do want, whether we meet or whether we never meet or will meet, it's all a different thing because we cannot meet all the people. But I'm meeting you here. This means that you're connected with my energy. You're connected via my channel, via Instagram, via me talking to you. What does it mean? It means that I want you all to be happy and content and sorted. Okay, some people come around to make us feel like this, you should disgust yourself and all. They they should shut the f up. Okay, apology is coming. Someone who does, they're going to say I'm sorry and they want to get closer to you. I'm sorry for whatever happened, or I'm sorry that you felt this. Okay, so yes, this is all for you. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.